Meet me outside, Bitcoin, crypto, don't go for a ride. If you're gonna get your surfboard, get a tie. Wall Street beat, sick dough, crypto. Please don't flip though. I'm not always right though. I'm not a financial advisor, but just the gentleman wearing a visor. Yeah, it's time to hustle. It's just so simple, I'ma solve this puzzle. And if you didn't know that you're feeling puzzled, it's TA, baby. Come on right over. Got one job, I got 1, 2, 3. I'll take 4 more just for me. I'm buying crypto, I'm dollar cost averaging, don't you know? You buy the dip, you have a sip, take a rip. Call me captain of this shit. I don't give a fuck, my name is Skip. XRP, Cardano, Ethereum. Take that shit right down to the cilium. I'ma put my fist through. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day? You hit this like button, hit that subscribe. Talking about going on a ride, and wow, what a ride we've been going on. Obviously, I really don't want to go over the same stuff every YouTuber has probably gone over at this point. It's pretty tough breaking this 1.45K. One more and we'll get to 1.46. Please be a part of the live. Be a part of the Wolves. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Every day we come to you with this live stuff. And it's been a pretty big day, right? As we know, Binance, New York regulators, orders Binance stable backer. And we're going to talk about this a little bit briefly. To stop issuing token. A lot of people are freaking out about it. New York's chief financial regulator said on Monday it has ordered the firm behind Binance's stable coin to stop issuing the token after finding it could not do so in a safe manner. In a blow to the world's biggest crypto exchange. Well, I think it's everyone safe to say we're pretty much through the worst of it right now, finding some good buys. And in a summary, BUSD is issued and redeemed by Paxos, and funds are SAFU. So the SEC, we're talking about it right now. And pretty much right now, I was reading the bottom of this. I hope this is the article where I was getting to. Come through. Oh, here it is. So what's next for Binance? Given that Binance only gave its brand to BUSD, Paxos' decision is expected to have limited impact on the exchange's finances. It may not impact their business too much, Connor Ryder, research analyst at Keiko said. The damage is likely mainly reputational. So right now at this point in time, it's not a big deal. So I think a lot of people do have to realize the FUD could be getting over soon. And looking at the total crypto market cap right now, looking at Ethereum, it's looking pretty solid right now. Bitcoin, 21,700. I don't know how many videos I've had in a row where I said to you, well, 21,700 and 21,300 is going to remain a big problem, going to remain a big target. And I kept preparing everybody on my channel for this. I don't think many people took it serious. And now here we are at the price, and it's like, bam. Wall Street Pete is a genius. No, I'm not a genius. It's just the technical analysis just takes us there. And these are some of the things we have. So right now, Bitcoin currently, we do have a nice support to the upside. If you will, please hit the like button, hit the bell all notification. We had a nice little 2.5 support, 2.5% to the downside. And currently right now, I am longing Ethereum and Bitcoin because I do feel that we can hold this pretty strong. We will find out that if we break through down here to the 21.3, it could be mayhem. We will have sell orders past there. And as you can see here on my, how do we call this? The stochastic oscillator down here. Very, very big oscillator. I like to use indicator. We're very, very bullish right here on the daily. So as you can see every time through the history as we are in this symmetrical pattern, ABC-like correction falling through, we're waiting to find out when we're going to break right above and through. So sooner or later we will get our answer. If we're getting some resistance, we'll find out. But on the daily, on this oscillator, I do like it very much. Stochastic oscillator, if you're interested in that one. It's right here. We'll pull it up for you. This is some of the stuff we do for you. Stochastic ATR volatility oscillator. So that's one of the ones we use. I'm a big believer in this one. I like this a lot. We could long this here and pretty much get through as long as 21.3 does not destroy our price in the Bitcoin. But as long as we can get some volume as we went down below 1 trillion market cap. So we were at the 996 billion and now we're back at the 1 trillion. So we got to pay close attention to that. Right now, getting a brief pull to the upside. As you can see, a nice little rally. Hope to hold this 1500 level for Ethereum. So what we're doing now is hoping to slowly long the Bitcoin and Ethereum position. Right now on leverage, you can trade on MEX. I don't have it up. MEXC. I do have on Instagram, if you follow me at wallst.pete, you can check us out. We do have basically a little referral code if you'd like to do so. So right now, currently, I do expect a little bit of some fall here. I do expect Ethereum to come down, as you can see here, and we're picking up some steam, hopefully on the bottom here. As you can see, many times through here on the oscillator, we have benefited from being on the bottom and getting a nice pull to the upside. So we'll pay attention to see if this is a pull to the upside for the better, or are we just getting dead cat bounces? We will get out of our long position that we currently have for Ethereum. So once we find out that we're doing dead cat bounces, we're going to close that hopefully in the positive and not the negative. So we'll take it in for a profit if we can. As you can see through here, we may have to hold it for a little bit. I do see major support at the 1476. Perfect for me because I don't want to lose my order or it gets stopped out. So we'll pay attention to that as we go further. Bitcoin, like I said, major prices here. As you can see all the way on the bottom of the oscillator. If we check here on last time on the bottom, well, we were trading here at 17,000 and now we are already at 21.7 and change, almost at 21.8. So you can see how this oscillator works. I like it very much. When we seem to hit the bottom here of it and we do get a nice pump to the upside, we do pretty much profit well. And that is going for the same as well when we're heading to the downside. As you can see here, if we were up here on it, all the way up to 24,300 almost, if we sold on this, we would have known on this big fall that this is currently what's happening. So on the daily, I do like this very much, but as even more, I do like the MACD on steroids. We're still trying to get a hold of it, but right now we're getting a short little fall down here. This is the daily, and it's going to take a lot of time for us to recover here. So we'll see what happens. Looking at this oscillator coming down, not this oscillator, excuse me, the MACD extended, and would be somewhere out here if we came through. So we could continue to fall, like I said. So we'll pay attention. Lots to talk about, lots to pay attention during the week. I just wanted to keep this a really quick, short video. Actually, probably one of the shortest videos I may have ever done. Why? Because we got to pay attention to see what we're doing here. So let's watch, let's analyze and pay attention as we're going through here. Looks like we're getting a huge cup and handle in here. I would like to see that happen and then come out and retest back to the 24. We'll see. 21,300, I've told you in probably the last 3 videos ago how important this was. It's kind of amazing that we're here already. So this is what happens. It takes time for something like this to come back. It is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday, Valentine's Day. So hopefully you got a date. If not, enjoy yourself. Maybe next year you could buy this dip, and maybe next year you'll be able to 2024 have a date. Maybe you'll be able to buy one. Wall Street Pete Sicto in crypto. So many of you, I hope you have a wonderful night. Hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. And like I said, I just wanted to come to you with a quick short update. I've been talking about this 21.7 probably for the past 5 days, 4 days. If you don't believe me, just go back to the last videos. You'll see what we're talking about. So looking for a big bounce here for the Ethereum price and Bitcoin. We'll see what happens. We've been doing nothing but falling for the past few days. It seems like nothing but a nightmare. But like I said, pay attention to the levels, not financial advice. Just a gentleman twice as nice. Take care and be safe out there. It's definitely a big bloodbath out there. Have a good one, guys.